Nestled on a sprawling, almost 3-acre lot in the heart of Fayetteville, this charming farmhouse ranch-style home offers a rare blend of privacy and convenience. With no HOA restrictions, this property is a hidden gem, which provides the perfect retreat. I'm Devin Curlings with the Coley Group of Compass, and if you've been on the hunt for land, no HOA, and privacy, welcome to my newest listing. Step into your own private oasis, surrounded by lush greenery, thoughtfully placed landscaping, and a corner cutting garden. The single-level layout of this home offers both comfort and accessibility while being tucked away. Inside, you'll discover a well-maintained home with character, charm, and original features. Greeted by your living room, wrapped in the warmth of original hardwoods and a charming brick fireplace. Which leads you to the heart of the home with stainless steel appliances and an abundance of cabinetry. Off the kitchen, you'll step down into a tiled bonus space perfect for an office or a playroom. Down the hall, you'll find 2 perfect-sized bedrooms and a large full bath. Your primary is spacious with a delightful primary bath and walk-in closet. Step out to your oversized carport and back deck to take in the views of your expansive wooded lot. Located just 15 minutes from Fort Liberty, this home offers the best of both worlds, a secluded sanctuary within easy reach of amenities and conveniences. For more information on this home or a private tour, give the Coley Group a call today.